Hi, welcome to Wicked Gingerbread. If you're new here, my name is Molly, and normally I do cooking. And if you have been here before, welcome back. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I've seen this on YouTube a lot, and it looked fun. It looked like something different, and I just thought I would give you a grocery haul today. I just went a couple places. I went to Meijer's, and I also got a delivery from Whole Foods. So there's a kind of a combination. This was a smaller grocery haul, believe it or not. So I'm going to turn the camera down and kind of go over and show you some of the things that I recommend. You know, I'm not paid by any of these stores or any of these products. I just, again, I've seen grocery hauls on YouTube and I watched them and they look exciting. You know, it's just interesting to see what other people buy and kind of gives you some ideas for baking and cooking for the week. I get a lot of inspiration from just watching various videos similar to the ones I make. One thing I wanted to mention, I have started using ITrackBites. Again, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I've started using the app ITrackBites. It's the paid version where you can do 6 different options. 5 of them are Weight Watcher. 1 is just calorie counting. I chose to do the Conquer Cravings, the old Momentum plan. I've never tried this before. I was successful on Weight Watchers. A while back, I did Points Plus back in 2015. I lost like 30 some pounds. I found the blue, and again, this is just my opinion, I found the Weight Watchers blue. That's why I stopped doing Weight Watchers. It was a little too restrictive with sugar. Like some of the dark chocolate even that's healthy for you that I would eat each day were like, took up like a quarter of my points for the day. So it just wasn't sustainable. So far this Conquer Cravings, it's a slow journey. I've been on it for a few weeks now. But you count everything except for non-starchy vegetables. So even bananas and fruit have a small amount of points. But what I'm noticing, the points are not that high for a lot of things. So it does give you a little bit of freedom, even though you're counting almost everything. So just keep that in mind. Let me know down below if you would like for me to start posting the points. I don't know if anyone else is following Conquer Cravings, but so far I'm liking it. I'll keep you posted on if I'm successful with, you know, you try to find something that's sustainable for a long time, for a lifetime, where you're gonna get healthier, lose some weight. So we'll see, I'll keep you posted. So let me tell you about my game plan for the week, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera down to show you my grocery haul. So a few things that I use on a regular basis. I have the 80 calorie Lewis buns. I didn't buy this time. I'm stocked up on them in the freezer. But I do, one night a week, I'll do either a turkey burger, hamburger type of thing, but with turkey or ground chicken. And then I also use, these are organic chicken sausages. They have a bunch of different flavors. They're wonderful. And so I'll do a hot dog night with like a side salad, maybe cut up a wedge. So that's one of the things. I'm going to do some baking, and finally I broke down and bought, this is flavored with monk fruit. So this is the Sola low calorie sweetener with monk fruit. And this is just regular granulated sugar. And then there's also the Swerve, the powdered sugar with monk fruit. So a couple things that I want to start doing. I want to start making bento boxes. I found these cute little bento boxes on Amazon. You can just type in divided glass container and then just look at the reviews, because there's a lot of different ones. It just depends on what suits your needs. But these are freezer, oven safe, dishwasher safe. But I want to start doing snack boxes, because I found that I start to really snack. I snack a lot if I don't have something conveniently already made. So I got some tzatziki. It's very low points, very low fat calories. And I'm going to pair that with a bunch of vegetables. I don't care for cucumbers, but I'm making my husband up some of these boxes too. So we're going to do like a really cute little bento box. I also got some classic hummus. And they're not all created equal. You want to find one that has low fat and low calories. Baba ganoush. It's a roasted eggplant. Again, I found one that's not too bad. So we're going to do like a tzatziki. I'm going to have some baby carrots. For him, I'm going to have cucumber. And if you cut the cucumber and cut the peel off in little stripes and then cut them, it makes them look really cute. And then I'm going to pair that. I've got the organic baby carrots. And then I'm going to give us a serving. I did find some of these that were really nice. There's the reduced fat Triscuit, Good Thins, and more Good Thins. So I'm going to see which one we like more. So also, I'll probably give us a little thing of fruit and a Fiber One bar. They have lemon, they have brownie. This is mint brownie. They're delicious. And they're only 70 calories a piece, and it kind of satisfies that craving for sweets. Now, something else I'm going to do with these crackers, I did stock up on tuna. What we're going to do with the tuna, I am actually going to make a tuna noodle casserole. And I'm going to try using these organic red lentil pasta. I'm going to try using that and some mushrooms along with the tuna. And also I got enough tuna that I'm going to make tuna salad with some cucumbers and probably some carrots. And I have some light egg-free mayonnaise. And I'm going to put that on some crackers. That'll be a lunch. I got this, I love this fat-free Ready Whip. You still need to measure it on your food scale. Egg whites, I always keep egg whites. What I do a lot is I will take the 100 calorie Thomas's, or Fiber One also has 90 calorie, real high in fiber English muffins, but I will make my own little sausage egg McMuffins. And I use these sausages. It's reduced fat turkey sausage. Jimmy Dean has them. Several people have them. So that is one thing that I do, and then I try to find the lightest cheese or like the thin sliced cheese. I'll take the egg yolk, or I'm sorry, the egg whites. I'll take the egg whites and I'll bake them in the oven in a glass dish. I'll just pour it in there with a little bit of almond milk, whisk it up, and then maybe 20 minutes in the oven, 350. And then I cut them into squares. And then I'll do the Egg McMuffin sandwiches. I always keep either 35 or 40 calorie bread. This stuff is amazing. And I could also do tuna sandwiches. I always keep, I actually found some nice looking organic strawberries. So one thing that I've started to do recently, I make a fruit dip. So I eat more fruit. I'm going to use the Dannon non-fat yogurt, plain yogurt, and I'm mixing it with sugar-free, fat-free cheesecake. Now, I would recommend using almost the whole container or the whole container and a whole box. It's still going to be very low in calories, low in fat, and it'll keep in the fridge for 4 or 5 days at least. I also keep avocados all the time. I make tacos, and with the tacos, I have some chicken here. I'm going to make I have some organic chicken. I am going to make 2 things with the chicken. I'm going to make some tacos, burritos, I should say. And then along with the burritos, I have some light sour cream. And then I'm also going to make a chicken pot pie. And I just got some regular mixed vegetables. So hopefully I'll have enough chicken for that. And oh yes, and I did get some olives. They're very good for snacking. I'm going to put those in my fruit boxes. And also I use my protein powder, and I will take fruit, and sometimes for the morning breakfast, I will have a serving of just a low calorie, non-fat Greek or regular yogurt, and I'll put the vanilla protein powder in it, and it's amazing. I'm also going to make lasagna soup. I make a lot of soups ahead of time, and then so I also have the lasagna noodles, and I found some low-fat ricotta cheese. So stay tuned. One of my next videos is going to be a soup edition. I'm going to do 2 soups. One of them is lasagna soup. I've made it before and it's amazing. So the only other thing to show you, looks like I also got Italian sausage Blaninski's, the chicken organic sausage, delicious. And you can freeze it, so it'll last for a long time. The other thing that I have for breakfast, aside from these Johnsonville reduced like 70% light turkey sausages, I usually have 2, and I'll pair it just with some egg whites, or sometimes I'll make whole grain pancakes. Something else, they have uncured chicken bacon, 60% less fat. If you've never tried this, it is amazing. And that is about it for my grocery haul. I do have some grapes. I always keep some grapes on hand, some bananas, organic I try to get organic as often as I can. So that's about it. I'm planning on doing some soup and some burritos and little bento boxes. So maybe I'll show you the bento boxes in a video. If you're interested in that, comment below. I've got to tell you, because it is amazing. I don't like palm oil. I don't know if it's healthy for you or not, but a lot of, not to down Nutella, but I love Nutella, but because it has palm oil, it kind of makes me nervous. I don't know, it just seems like a heavy oil. So I found an organic hazelnut, Whole Foods. I think Fresh on Amazon might have it as well. There's no palm oil in this, it's all natural, but I mean, it still has a lot of fat and calories. But hazelnut cocoa spread, oh, I put it on these light multi-grain Thomas's, and it tastes almost like a chocolate donut if you toast that and then spread it on there. But the key here is just measure. And something else that I found at the grocery store in the produce section that is delightful, I found a couple organic herbs. So I will keep these for a long time. I got some basil to have with the lasagna soup. And I also keep mint around. I'll throw that in my yogurt and fruit mixture. But these are organic. I even found one on sale. It was $1.37, and this will yield, I'll put it in a coffee cup, a clear little coffee cup in my window, both of these, and I'll be able to pluck herbs off of these for probably 6 months. So, I hope you've enjoyed this grocery haul. Please comment below, let me know if you'd like to see these once in a while. I don't know if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, especially now that I'm on Conquer Cravings, Weight Watchers again, the old momentum plan. So I hope you're having a good journey also with health. And watch out for my soup videos. Those are coming up next. And I hope you get inspired and have a good week. See you later.